What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another Food Review Friday. Today we are at Seattle Pops. So this place is basically known for their popsicles. They have a fruity option, which is vegan, and then they also have a dairy option, which is kind of like ice cream. And today I got a vanilla bean with graham crackers.
By the way, we're back again with Get Fat with Eat.
Oh, for those of you that didn't know, EAT stands for Emily and Ty.
I'll do the warning right here.
Yeah.
What do you get?
Coconut cream with caramel drizzle. Whoa.
Drizzle.
Oh, how drizzle it is.
What you say?
I got the mango chile. Chile mango? Wait, where is it? Oh, mango chile.
I love. Do you guys bite your popsicles or do you lick it? Because I lick it, but we bite them.
Next time you eat it.
Well, yeah, right? Like my parents, they bite it.
See, is it like an Asian thing?
Yep.
Comment down below.
I always bite it. Bite better.
The thing in Asia, like most of the ice
Because
cream
it's
are
too
like
hot,
popsicle.
right?
Yeah,
So
so
you're
like-
like bite it and it's gonna melt.
yeah, I think it's
If
ingrained
you
into the
keep
culture.
licking it, it's like next morning you not so.
No, I was just licking it the whole time and it was like,
Try licking it.
See, it's not even.
no, like you got nothing.
Oops.
Ah.
It's good. It's good.
Looking at you while you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak? I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you while you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak? I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you while you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak? I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you while you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak?
So it costs $4 per popsicle without any added toppings plus tax. You gotta pay the tax. So it comes out to, I don't know. Someone do the math.
But if you,
$4.40?
if you
Yeah, 10%.
if you do it all, then dip it, drizzle it, pop it, and like $6 to $7.
Overall, how would you rate it?
It's good. It's good. It's
On
good
a scale
ice
of
cream.
10.
7 to 8, 7, 8, 8, 10. It's really good.
Where? This plate?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
How would you rate it?
out of 10,
Mm-hmm.
I'll give it like 8, and then 2 for the service.
Two more for the service?
Oh,
Yeah.
so 10.
So 10.
Oh, I thought like the service is $2. How about you?
8.5.
And you?
I would give it a 9.
What would you give it?
I didn't really eat it. I mean, I shared with Audrey, so my score is the same with her. 8.5.
Alright guys, that concludes our Food Review Friday. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment, like, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you guys next time.